interview on Nuanum Adum TV for Koye na yemfa emme discuss asama Jordan and so akwakoka awo interview no and so emu. First of all, Okabibi yebisa say course na say here 1 or 2 players including Onuan Kasa Nebra Penny you any 1 or 2 players bia. We say some players never come home to augment Blaster squad they Kobo World Cup now. Ebetimi abwan. No as the captain of the side not dream pa and say Yenti Jordan are you and ye.
I think the players that have played the qualifiers have done extremely well. I don't think we need any additions. I think that we have a good team. I think that as time goes on, we're improving. You know, we don't have much time to train together. We always have 1 or 2 days, then we play a game. So it's not always easy, but as time goes on, we're improving. We're getting to gel. We're getting to know each other. The unity is getting better. Everything is being positive. Everything is growing. So I don't think it's the right time to have. To be honest, I'm not a coach. I'm not the, so it's up to the coach to decide, anything. We just want to go out there and put in a good show. And that's the technical part. And that technical part is the coach who knows what he needs and what he needs to have the team and what, But for me, I just think that, we just need to go out there. Whoever is going to represent Ghana needs to go out there and put in a show. That's it.
Okay, and the Black Stars of Ghana captain Jordan Ayew. Now, no, very, very simple. Or say, as a captain of the side, I think players qualifiers are in your qualification Kobo World Cup. They did extremely well. So, dear pa. Now, on there, as the captain of the side, only say you should hear players giddy at the Abakasa squad. And the reason is very, very simple. I say, World Cup now, yeba at national team level. We should need time to say club side every day biambo co training na coach munye. I say national team. Uni sahabeno. It is from Sahabeya or ye interview copim tama. Yawoka kobo World Cup abo US and Canada Ye should need bre. Inti sa kosi players bebre. Asa de about good team ma. Be my team chemistry ni bibia be san kwa achiri. Enti ono de as the captain of the side all the players now ye wona ye did not call cup now because oze players now obia e bon homboden say call cup now e betimi enso akwa ya de na bibia no etima ko ba do no onye coach san de all kind is the captain of the side but sad decision say bi e ba ka ho ana ye mfa bi meka ho no eno de e otuado ene ne technical team no omo ena ebetimi ache but ono ne de as the captain of the side only say yen shedan here players bia gidigidi ana de abaka team na nsana yakwa bo eye World Cup na ebisa say World Cup na ye kono hu ahobwane te sen Ghana team say na niema etie ko no so yenti captain o say ye ko World Cup ahobwane enso te sen.
I just feel like we need to prepare well ourselves. First of all, we need to believe in ourselves that we can go out there and put in a show. No one is going there. We're not going to spend. The preparation is starting from now. And we're not going to spend 1 month or 2 months in America. Just to go there and just to visit the country. There's no point. I don't mean we're going to win the World Cup. I want to make it clear. But what I mean is that we'll go out there and perform. And we'll do as best as we can. And obviously, when we go in and put in a show, you never know what can happen. With a bit of luck, anything can happen. So we'll go out there and put in a show and make sure that we stay humble, we stay focused, and try to do our best. And hopefully we'll start dreaming.
Okay, and the captain is your one. Any Ayasha said that. Yeah, boy, giddy da. Yeah, the Aquacobo a World Cup I say yes. World Cup no on Ghana Aquaco, but Yakon say Yakokan numbers and okay. Now, Ghana Yaka, a my own Bobo World Cup and as a US one or a yom fit. And now only the players no more norms or World Cup in the BKK. Also, more they want to put up a show, a very good show. Now, almost players, and when I'm etimia ba a ama ebin so a Ghana ho. Enti omo ko bo mo modern se na be ya bibia betimi akonkan and so Adiama at the Black Stars of Ghana. Now the church of Crano, Yebisan say, I walk up a muki target in a pan is saying move players no, but target and saying, and now what they call a walk up and also Intino.
You know, the dream is obviously to go there, out there and to put in a show and to get to as far as we can. But I cannot assure you it's going to be quarterfinals, semi-finals, finals. You know, let's just stay calm and prepare well, work hard. You know, get ourselves together. You know, put positive energy around the team. That's really important because at the end of the day in football, you need a lot. So obviously, I think with all those things, with the positivity of the support and the prayers and everything, I think we'll go out there and put in a show and, you know, we'll see where we'll get to.
Okay, the captain say, tournament today, Niama Bibri, we lack players will be stay fit in this Anyamano. Of you says, Yasanya, na Ghana for Adam support Emma Timoya. Also, on the do better, I said the amount for Caso, every crowd groups agent me for us, deputy. As I say, target to quarter final, baby, some semi. Yamia don't cry, maybe at me, run final, why not? And on the empire, and say, tournament in a corner, injuries, Nissan, Yamani Nano, and my 18 no. Now, boy, on any players of mine, no GD, say Ghana, so between our home day, I walk Yamiadama, walk up, I basso, I walk a Juni. Ayala, captain, so team now, any dear. Young players, because at the national team level, no one said any time. You
see, Mammy Charles in Fletcher. Jordan is around 34 years.
Okay.
This will probably be the last major tournament for the Blasters. In this Okase Okuyini Yem na Omaboa. Only they don't have any other option. Number 2, Rich, if you speak to players, the World Cup is everything to any player. That is all. It's when you get the opportunity, Obasa Oko Boboni ye. It's a summer Jordan Canayano at the World Cup stage. And everybody is motivated so on your opportunity obeying yama bo nti so okase oh yeah prepare say yanko kanambes no keke yako ye yama ba. It is the truth. Odie she even Ghana as a situation since 2006 years that's a World Cup which every World Cup be a yakubiano. Every game be a yakbubiano. Say Yantimimpan qualify for group stage cinema. You can't question the commitment of the players in those tournaments.
Even Brazil go win. Okay, game against Germany.
Yes.
One of the best games.
Inti World Cup na boni there. It is the motivation is there for every player be obenya opportunity at the World Cup. Jordan 34. For almost this could be your game-changing tournament because area singing now will be watching you. Every scout in the world will be watching you. Every club in the world will be watching you. And see, World Cup as a basis say it has never been in question. Now, Rich. Many communication expert on, but in my honest opinion, there are some questions bia yebusa enkophobia and kaminya pa and they will decline to answer.
Really,
the general question of anything around Blaster selection, si yebusa sports minister, GFA president, players, MPs. Sakaminya epa. Anka their best answer should be say obe decline to answer. Because which unim the entire. It is not any of these people's their job.
Coach Ejuma.
But the moment you give an answer, you start a conversation. The moment I'll be answer, with your personal opinion, but when you answer say Kimpeno, then you start up a conversation. Into coming here and from players to minister to FA president to one say a new coach and question of selection call ups and go blank on the answer. But don't answer. And we will also do our job to analyze the content in our diamond. Now, Rich, in all honesty, Asima Jordan Kayeno, he is speaking from an intelligent football point. When someone MC on the studio, Rich, he is speaking from a clear football intelligence. Asama Oka, or say, Yedi Jumanima Otuadono. He was tasked to build a team. Along the task, there was AFCON, there was World Cup. In between qualifiers, any I don't know. So now Otuado, team building be chopping and changing. Me sure way, Mamin Cobbs every way, where the minimum that, Mamin for where Mashana Mishadia. He Jordan believes, say, time I know some Cordia Sadiano. And he's right. He is so right. Say, time and auto, I was say, or the try and error, or the show be a or person, or yes, I'm impression about him. Man. He is so right. Rich, and I gave you the Croatia, almost squad of my friend for almost 2 friendlies against Colombia and Brazil. You've heard Carlo Ancelotti talk about the Brazilian team all prepared their World Cup. She De La Fonte interviews are all year. She Thomas Tuchel interviews are all year. Do you get the impression from any of these national team coaches say they are ready to change match at the national team?
Anytime.
Yeah, B. Nobody is ready to make any meaningful, significant changes in the team. Wash na onim for the World Cup. And if Jordan says, on yes sure the Blasters is too open for a lot of inclusions, on the base of football intelligence, any national teams, any elsewhere standards, what he's saying is right. And yes, our here do full per se or protect it on any team exports. He is talking purely from national football perspective. This is not the time to get crash with a lot of different players. Baby, you do na fine tuning. Why is she fidie na wie umiem na odi akosi akan at the World Cup. Now, Rich, the last part the twist of perspective and comforted to now 7 so. Already there his senior brother conversation in the system. Now I'm confirmed so just so Asama Jordan can then goes back to the Andra USA unya krasi e yo obiati capito kope ba bitina. Look, it will be very, very fair. Say Yebeka Esisudia say Jordan was not referring to the Dedayu discussion. In fact, a full interview, no, but I suspect Jordan was responding to Yenya Songo asking him about players. We say Edinketiamone, Omumbo Blasters Nibidana. Now there seems to be an open door and Kofoso, young for woman, Kofosi, young for woman. Probably that for me, it is more likely a question that Yenya Songo Busana, Jordan Emasa answer. It is not a direct swipe to Nhyira and Rayu. But Rich, once the content is out of his mouth, now Jordan Air say the Blasters doesn't need to open its door to a lot of new players. Those people, or no term as new players, Rich, will include his brother.
Okay.
Because say a World Cup contest na can his brother did not play any. He didn't play parts. And he say, "Oh, fast! I'm gonna transfer." Nasa samna Jordan can say, "Oh, na say you team dada. Team a ball qualifies ye ni me dada." Yes, you can. Ubeti me the bakum ye ni bi abashe baby. I'm a team more, but we don't need wholesale. And the young close your doors bebre to kofwa. Obi a why na say sa category of nkofo no. Or the ninya andra you beka hono. Rich, you can't begrudge that person. But what Jordan said is very, very right.
Okay.
That's in me anymore.
If you man, Emma Twelson for Emma Shawanzo for 0.5. Yabasi ana yenche crowd.